Just as technology advances, so does the home improvement space, and you need to level up your skills so that you can meet the demands of today's homeowner. So today we're going to talk about the 5 essential skills that you need to master in 2023 and beyond so that you can thrive in your business. All right, so the first skill that I want to talk about is tech installation and troubleshooting. So of course, with the rise of smart homes, you have products like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Ring doorbells, to name a few. More and more people are adopting these smart home devices and need help. So keep on top of the home automation space and be the go-to person for anything related to tech for your clients. Skill number 2 is sustainable building and repairs. So a lot of homeowners these days are looking to decrease or limit their carbon footprint. And one of the ways you can do this is to use eco-friendly materials, as well as energy efficient products. So if you can inform your client of energy efficient products and sustainable building materials, then that's a major advantage. Skill number 3, plumbing and pipe repairs. Now, of course, for this skill, you want to make sure that you're working within the regulations of your state regarding licensing and not to do any work that you're not licensed for. But fixing pipes and plumbing related skills will always be in demand. The modern plumbing system isn't going away anytime soon, and this is a skill that any homeowner needs on a continual basis. So if you can learn these skills, you'll be in high demand. Skill number 4, electrical wiring and repairs. Now again, make sure you're operating within your state's regulations for licensing, but as homeowners install these smart home products, you want to be able to learn how to troubleshoot them and just overall learn about the electrical system of the house and how these devices tie into that. Above all, you want to help keep your clients' homes running safely and smoothly. All right, our last and final skill is creative problem solving. Now, I'm sure you do this on a day-to-day basis, being in the handyman industry or a similar field, but you want to be able to think on your feet and come up with creative solutions to problems in the moment. And this will set you apart from other handymen. And this kind of ties into overall having the knowledge of how a home comes together and the components in it, and then ways to fix various problems. So there you have it. Those are the top 5 handyman skills to learn in 2023 and beyond. And what it really comes down to is just solving your clients' problems. And if you can kind of be that one-stop shop, that knowledge base for them, they'll keep turning to you over and over again. So good luck out there. Until next time, take care and be well.